guys! So here we are at my comfort room, or like my bathroom. Comfort room! Parang restaurant lang. So anyway, so I just want to thank you first, LIPNATICS, for giving me a chance to try your products, which is the glass product. So that is the name of their brand, which is glass. So yeah, so I'm trying the skin renewal bar from LIPNATICS. So ayan, LIPNATICS glass skin renewal bar. So I'm gonna use it on my face. So kakaalis lang ng makeup ko. So we had kami yung nag-makeup sa Philippine Fashion Week 2019 for She Said Yes Bridal Fashion Show, directed by Direct OG San Ato. So thank you so much, Direct, for giving us an opportunity to showcase our glam team to your fashion show. But anyways, moving on. So ito, i-check ko siya. So mag-check ko ng first impression of some of the products. I will feature some of the products doon sa room ko kasi nandun most of the products that they are letting me try. So yeah, start with this. So, well, for my first impression, since I'm now like an activist, parang nagiging zero waste lifestyle advocate ba ang tawag doon? So anyway, I'm gonna talk about it in another vlog, but hopefully glass or LIPNATICS can lessen the use of one-time use plastic, but of course I cannot use this anymore, so I have to throw it out. But kung pwedeng beeswax or any type of like paper for you to wrap your soap, that would be much better for, you know, the earth environment. So let's try this bar. So first, wala siya masyadong amoy. Very mild, parang candy bar ang amoy niya. So very mild. So very, parang for me, perfect siya kasi I hate using products na may amoy, lalo na sa mukha ko kasi I'm very sensitive. I have asthma and I'm very sensitive sa face, so I'm usually very picky sa mga ginagamit kong mga products na nasa face. So yeah, so we're gonna try this one. Ako nag-facial wash lang ako, just normal facial wash. So I'm gonna use this first. Well, so far, as you can see, hindi siya irritating sa mata. So sa mga sensitive na mga soap sa mata, mukhang okay siya. And I'm gonna try this for like probably 1 to 2 weeks. I'm not quite sure, but probably 1 week. So napansin ko lang. Okay. Ang ayoko din also sa bar is when I use some soap, is that when you use it, you tend to have dry skin on your face. So hopefully once it dries, hindi siya magiging ganun yung feeling. Or so far, so good. So, ngayon, natapos na ako sa facial wash ko. So far, it feels smooth, but not too dry, but it still feels dry a little bit. So, medyo, tingnan natin if it will not dry out more of my skin. Kasi parang akong normal, feeling ko sa skin ko, normal to combination. Kasi sometimes it feels so dry, sometimes it feels so like oily. So, mostly oily dito, tapos dry dito. So, yun yung concern ko. So, anyway, so we're gonna start with some of the products that they let me try, or the products that they gave to me for me to try. So again, as a zero waste advocate or believer, all of these have plastic. Yan, plastic na ano matawag dito, cover or something. This one also has a plastic cover hole throughout. This one, so yun lang ang concern ko. So sayang kasi I have just to throw it away and not use it again. I cannot use this again. So anyway, what they got me is the detox clay mask. This is what it is. So I'll put some the information here. Yeah, I'm gonna put the information here for you to read what it does to your face. So, ayan ang itsura niya. May mga parang bilog-bilog. Sorry for my nails. Natanggal yung nail ko. So, let's just use this para hindi pa pangit. So, ayan. May mga beads siya. So, binuksan ko na siya. It smells like mint. Chocolate mint na parang fresh. Actually, parang siyang ice cream. So, I think yan yung itsura niya. It's more on parang avocado color. Green, very light green. Yan. So, we're gonna try this. I'm not gonna use a brush kasi mostly parang pag brush mo, for me is sayang yung product na napupunta dito. So, dahil ako ay makeup artist, I'm gonna use my makeup, ano man tawag dito? Spatula. Yes, I'm gonna use this. So, I think, for me, I'm gonna mix muna. Parang nag-mix kasi parang medyo nag-liquefy na yung ibabaw. So, I'll mix this. Why do I use a spatula instead of like my hands? Kasi, ang alam ko, when you have, you use your hands sa mga products na cream, it tends to parang nag-expire earlier, parang nag-iiba yung amoy, nagkakaroon ng parang feeling ko yung bacteria pumapasok. So, I use this one. Yan, try natin. So, may beads siya. Ang maganda yung amoy niya, hindi siya masyadong matapang. So, perfect. So, medyo masakit sa mata ng konti. I think it's because of the mint. Well, don't worry. Parang, I think for others, okay lang. Kasi ako, I have very sensitive eyes. Like, pag kunyari natamaan lang ng ilaw, na very, very bright. So, I think tamang mag-ipit muna kayo before doing this. Eh, hindi ako nakaipit. So, tiis ganda. Ayan. And, ayan, medyo parang feeling ko naluluha ako dahil dun sa amoy. Pero if you're not, I think if you don't have sensitive eyes like I do, it's good for you. It's gonna be okay. But so far, actually parang dupe siya ng Magna Minty sa Lush. One of my favorite face mask. Mint din yung amoy nun. Sobrang gusto. I love mint scents. It's parang so refreshing. Parang Colgate, gano'n. So, but at the same time, yun medyo may pagkamahalan. So, not quite sure how much yung mga products nito, but I'll put it here or maybe put it in the description below para makita nyo how much this product will cost you. Okay? So, we will leave this for 15 minutes. Hindi na lang Maybelline lipstick. Kanina pa tong, kumain na ako 3 beses. Adya pa rin siya. Hindi lang siya like complete, pero adya pa rin siya. Sorry. Sinisnig ako. So, okay. I'm just gonna leave, ayan sayang. Isipin mo kung nasa brush to. Goodbye, and dami. So, ispatula mo na lang yung mukha mo. Para siyang semento. Ayan. So, we'll just, ang feeling niya, lumalamig talaga siya. Since I think it's minty, ang tendency niya talaga lumamig. So, kung nasa tapat ka ng electric fan, nahi-feel ko yung lamig. Nahi-feel ko yung lamig. Matindi yung lamig. Kasi naka-aircon ako, naka-AC. So, it's quite cold. So, what if pa kung pinay pa yan? kung ayaw mo ng coldness sa face, this is not for you. But, ako naman gusto ko, lalo na kung mainit sa panahon ngayon. Okay, we'll just gonna go back later after these messages. Joke lang. So, babalik tayo pagkatapos ko nang i-wash. Pag i-wash ko na yung face ko with this mask, we'll be right back. Okay? 15 minutes. Hi, I'm back. So I'm already washed my face with the doxing clay mask, and I really like it. So far, it's very, very smooth. Sorry for my eye bags kasi kakaanis lang ng makeup ka. So ayan, sobrang, as you can see, parang very, for me, very fresh yung itsura niya. So after that, ang alam ko will be the poreless toner. Yeah, the glass poreless toner. So we're gonna use a cotton bud for this one. Okay. Usually I don't like toners na masyadong maraming alcohol. So let's see kung okay to. Cucumber. Smells cucumbery. So far, so good. Hindi siya sobrang masakit sa skin. Tsaka, kung may alcohol man siya, very, very subtle. Hindi masyadong, alam mo yun, harsh sa skin. So, ayan na nawala. If you can see it. Yeah. Dirty! So, we're gonna use the other side. Don't use it much on your near the eyes kasi medyo masakit siya. Ayan. So, after this one, so for the glasses toner, so as it says here, one of the latest generations of toners is alcohol-free. So, this is alcohol-free. But I don't know, I feel like there is a little bit of alcohol, but I'm not quite sure kung meron. Pero, ayun, nung nag-mask ako, tapos naglagay ako ng toner, it feels medyo parang sleek. Hindi naman parang oily, pero yun yung nafe-feel ko after nung mask. Tapos nilagyan ko ng toner, medyo may pagka-moisturizing effect siya. Hindi na siya yung parang kaninang dry na konti after the mask. So far, so good. It feels like very moisturizing. So, I think that's how it is. So, Juri. So, parang after the clay mask, you use the toner. Then after that, I'm gonna be using the healing serum. This is how it looks like. So, the ingredients are aqua, vitis, vinifera, and arbutin, collagen, and vitamin E. So, yun yung kasama dun sa loob ng healing serum. Direct lang daw on the face. So, I'm just gonna be using this one. Ooh, okay. It feels very moisturizing. Ang bango niya. Ang bango niya. I mean, yung gentle and fresh yung amoy nung serum. I think I'm gonna really love the serum. Pero I think glass dapat lakihan nyo. Kasi this is one I was using before. This is Gentlease. Ngayon, ubus ko na siya. So, ito yung glass. So, if ever that you're gonna make another one, please make a bigger bottle para we can choose if we want to get 15 ml, and the other one is walang nakasulat. 30 grams or 1.05 ounce. So, after, okay, gently massage using circular motions and tap to dry. Yeah, so, tatap lang natin siya. So far, it feels very nice. Kasi sometimes when you're in, lagi ka nasa aircon, like minsan nasa labas, sa init, your skin tends to be dry. And pag nagda-dry yung skin mo, ang tendency nun is magkakaroon ka ng wrinkles, patches, and yeah, the more dry your skin is, the more wrinkles you will have in the future. So, if you ask Heart, ang laging sinasabi, well, Heart is one of my fave style and skin icons kasi her skin is totally parang heaven or like goals. So, sa kanya, parang sabi, always moisturize. So, that's where yun yung ginagawa ko ngayon. I always moisturize. I'm trying out the Korean style, 10 steps, pero it's quite hard to do it every night. But kung ano lang yung hanggat kaya ko, gagawin ko. So, anyway, so, hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo, but still, ayun, may natira pang mga clay mask, but hindi ko na alis ng lipstick ko, babaya mo na yun dyan. So, ayan. So, after that, it feels a little, hindi naman sticky, pero more on lotion. Medyo may parang malagkit na lotion. So, yun yung feeling niya after. So, after that, I'm gonna be using the sleeping mask. I've tried one of these items before, pero, I think it's Avon. So, maganda yung peeling mask. Maganda naman yung peeling mask nila. But yung sleeping mask, yung peeling and sleeping mask ng Avon, okay naman siya. But ngayon, we're gonna be trying this glass sleeping mask. Yan. So, itong sleeping mask, twice a week lang pala. So, ayan, ito yung itsura niya. Color pink kind of gel. Ayan. Ayan yung itsura niya. So, again, I'm gonna be using the spatula. So, twice a week. So, probably, this is Saturday today. So, probably, gagamitin ko ulit siya ng Tuesday or Wednesday. So, damihan ko. So, titingnan natin. Again, it smells like the same as the serum. Pero actually, I really like the serum. So, anyway, let's try this one. So, ilalagay daw sa buong mask. Sa buong face. Ayan. Yung problema ko lagi may redness kasi yun yung part na always dry sa face ko. Okay. Sleeping mask. Do your job. So far, hindi ko pa na-feel yung cooling effect niya. Siguro, later. Hindi naman siya, it feels like a gel. Parang yung aqua gel lang na parang yung sumikat na cucumber ba yun? Or aloe vera. Parang siyang feeling ng ganun. Aloe vera gel lang siya. Hindi siya sticky. Medyo may pagka siguro a little bit more slimy. Ayan. I'm gonna don't forget don't forget your neck kasi yan nga yung face mo pero yung neck mo masyonda na. So don't forget your neck when doing skincare, which is possible. Yan, hindi ko lang minask later pero next time. So far, ganyan lang siya. So, as you can see, sorry sa mga pores ko. Nakikita niyo yung mga dulo-dulo. So, ayan. So, anyway, shout out to Juri Komatsu, which, she was the one who gave me the glass, what do you call this, package? Or glass skincare product. So, thank you so much, Lipnatics and Juri Komatsu for letting me try these products. And, yeah, see you next time.